Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to put a Mercedes logo on your car using an easy method. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a plastic pry tool, a soft, clean cloth, and an alcohol wipe. Make sure your new emblem is the right fit for your specific vehicle model. Working in a well-lit area helps ensure a perfect, precise installation every single time. This preparation is key. Now, let's remove the old emblem if there is one. Use your plastic pry tool to gently lift the edges. Be very careful and apply consistent, light pressure to avoid any scratches on your car's beautiful paint. Once removed, use an alcohol wipe to thoroughly clean the surface. This step is crucial for ensuring the new emblem adheres properly. With the surface clean, it's time to prepare your new Mercedes logo. Carefully peel off the protective backing from the adhesive side. It's super important to keep the adhesive surface clean. Avoid touching it with your fingers. Take your time to align the new emblem perfectly before pressing it down. Precision here makes all the difference for a professional look. Finally, let's secure your new logo. Press the emblem firmly onto the prepared surface for about 30 seconds. Make sure to apply even pressure across the entire emblem to ensure a strong, lasting bond. For best results, avoid washing your car for at least 24 hours. This allows the adhesive to fully cure, keeping your new logo perfectly in place.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.